Ever feel like your belly has its own stubborn personality? Like no matter what you do, it just stays? You're not alone. And here's the truth, you don't need to punish yourself with endless crunches or live in the gym. At Healing Bite, we dive into real, science-based strategies, and today, we're bringing you belly fat loss secrets that actually work. Last summer, I tried to slip into my favorite jeans, spoiler alert, they didn't zip. I could either size up or smarten up. So I dug into real science and discovered powerful, gym-free methods. And in just 6 weeks, I lost 3 inches off my waist. Let me show you how I did it, step by step, here on Healing Bite. First up, ditch the bland diets. Losing fat isn't about eating like a rabbit. It's about understanding calorie density. You can eat big portions of the right foods, think piles of berries, veggies, and lean proteins, and stay full while eating fewer calories. That's the Healing Bite approach. More food, smarter choices, better results. Now here's a simple trick. Put your fork down. Yep, take a bite, chew slowly, then pause. It takes your brain about 20 minutes to realize you're full. So the slower you eat, the less likely you are to overeat. This isn't a diet hack, it's backed by science and helps cut belly fat naturally. Let's talk drinks. Lemon water is great, but we're taking it up a notch. Warm water, lemon juice, a dash of cayenne, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It's like a metabolism wake-up call. Yeah, it's got a kick, but it works. Try it in the morning and thank Healing Bite later. No gym? No problem. These 4 moves target your deep core muscles. Bicycle crunches, like pedaling in the air, only this time it's not just for fun. Standing twists, twist that waist with control, not chaos. Elbow to knee crunches, you can even do them while dinner's cooking. Plank twists, feel that waistline heat with every side tap. You don't need equipment. You just need commitment. And a mat. Can't do a full set? That's fine. Start with 30 seconds. Then go for a minute next week. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. And Healing Bite is here to guide you every rep of the way. Here's something most people skip, sleep. Without enough of it, your body pumps out cortisol, a stress hormone that tells your body to hoard belly fat. So yeah, skipping sleep could be why your waistline is stuck. Power down, rest up, and let your body recover. This isn't about chasing some fantasy body. It's about feeling strong and confident in your own skin. You deserve that. So skip the extremes, ditch the gimmicks, and follow Healing Bite for more real, healthy, sustainable tips. You've got this.